do here is go back.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Lil Roy TV. I know my braids look crazy, but we got a new vid for y'all. I know I've been missing for a couple of days, but y'all already know what's up. I got a new pickup, a new unboxing. Based off the title, you should already see what it is. I don't want to waste y'all time. I don't want to waste mine. Like I always say, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We hit 1K subs. We're doing a free giveaway, absolutely free. Make sure you follow the Instagram. It's in the description. You can go follow me. Make sure you like this video, comment anything you want to comment. I respond to all my comments, so shout out to y'all. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe because I do want to do a free giveaway and I want to give back to y'all that supporting and watching. So stay tuned, watch the rest of the video, don't skip, just keep watching. It's about to fall before I don't want y'all to see it. Anyways, let's get into it before it falls. Let's go. No further ado, what is the name of these Johns? It's the Nike Vapor Waffle. I don't know the other name. Sacaai. I don't know, but here it is. Boom. Boom. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? I got them on the Nike app, sneakers app. I mean, because Nike got their own different app. This is how the shoe looks. These are not for me. By the time you watch this, I'm probably getting ready to ship it out. Good profit on these. I wish I grabbed more pairs, but I literally woke up 2 minutes late. I don't know if y'all can see the screenshot. Maybe if you look at the screenshot carefully, I'm gonna try to leave the time. I'm gonna post the screenshot right here, give some space. Boom, screenshot. Regardless, you're gonna see the time. I literally was 2 minutes late on the sneakers app. I went to get these real quick. Size 10. It is not my size. See, size 10 right there. The heater just went off. Regardless, you see it right there, size 10. These shoes, I just want to say, they're goofy as hell. They just look, first of all, I don't know who's copping these, but look at that. They look like Phineas and Ferb. I forgot the little character, but Phineas and Ferb's face, mouth, whatever. Look at that. You could go inside there. That looks sus. But anyways, these shoes is ugly. I mean, like, I know I usually like outrageous shoes because they got some swag, but this is just ridiculous. That look like a whole mouth. Look at that. You could peek through there. These shoes is butt. And this color is alright, I guess. Like, if it was just a regular clean Air Max, maybe, and the color would be fine. There's like purple burgundy color and the green black. This is just a crazy shoe. Obviously, it's not my type. I just want to give y'all a quick review on these. That's how they look from the bottom. That's the shoe all around. Obviously, I'm going to give y'all a B-roll at the end, but I just want to show y'all these. These are not for personal, obviously. These are for sale. Got Nike stuff in the back. I want to know, do you guys like these shoes at all? Like in any of the previous colorways they dropped. I would hold on to these, but I'm trying to make my profit now because I do not trust these. But yes, these are these. They just came in the mail literally like 10 minutes ago. That's that. I want to show y'all real quick. This is the box. It comes with an orange Nike box. See, it says Nike there in the orange. Says it in the round in black. It's a pull-out box. See, let me just put the tab up and you pull it out. And that's the wrapping paper. So, just wanted to show y'all real quick the new unboxing of these Vapor Waffle, whatever, however you describe it. But that's that. Boom. And then we can end it with the B-roll. So I don't even know how to feel about these. I don't know nothing really about them. I just know all the previous colorways do sell good, and I'm happy I hit up on a pair. I've been waiting to do this review for y'all, just so y'all can see how it looks. So that's how it looks. This is a size 10. That's how the bottom looks, size 10. So I don't know if I could tell you we get true to size, but this 10 looks gigantic. I wear size 10 in Air Jordan 1s, but these look crazy. I would have to go true to size in 9.5 or a 9, just because they look so bulky. Maybe it's because the thing is inside, but yeah. This is how it looks. Alright, so I want to end it with a B-roll. That's all. That's the pickup. If you want to cop, go cop for resale. They are going for the high, so long story short, we out of here. It's your boy Lil Roy TV. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We hit 1K subs. You already know we're doing a giveaway. If it's your first time here, welcome. And yeah, don't worry about the hair. Y'all know, once a week in the vids, my hair is either done in a ponytail with a hoodie, whatever. But yeah, like this video. If you like these, don't like them, leave in a comment what you think about them. Do you dislike them as well like I do? Or do you like them? And you probably hate me because I said I don't like them, but comment what you think about these shoes. Do you have a pair or do you not? Are you copping strictly for resale? Because I know I am. So yeah, that's it. And make sure you share this video. Let's bring some more friends, families, whatever, to watch my videos. It's your boy Lil Roy TV, and I'm out. Y'all already know how we doing this. We ending it with a B-roll. So let's get out of here.